Osprey Approach offers you the ability to set retention dates on your matter history items, as well as setting up a retention period for any of your document templates. The following video will guide you through using matter history retention. By default, Osprey Approach comes with retention policies. You're able to add additional retention policies as required. To do this, navigate to your Supervisor area and select Case Management Setup. Now click on GDPR and then select Retention Policies. Select Delete to remove a policy, providing that it's not currently in use. Select New to add a new policy. Add a relevant detail and description for your policy, and then enter the number of days for which the policy will last. Click Save when finished. Your new policy has now been added. You'll be able to add a retention policy to your existing document templates, as well as any new document templates you create. We will add a retention policy to a new document. Navigate to Supervisor and then select Case Management Setup. Now click on Standard Documents and then select Add Standard Document. On the Edit or Add document screen, there'll be an option to select the retention period. Select a retention period to allocate to this document and click Save to save the document with the retention period set. The retention period set for the document will appear in this column. Now, when you navigate to the Document Production area under the Case Management tab, you'll see that the retention period has been displayed. When this document is opened and then saved, you'll now see the default retention period displayed in the Save window. You may alter the period at this stage if you wish. You can then choose if you wish to base the retention period on today's date or calculate the retention period using the archive date of the matter. Now, if we navigate to the matter history, the retention period will be displayed here. To add a retention policy to an existing matter history item, simply right-click on it and select Add Retention Policy. You may then select a relevant policy to apply to the item. You may also select Edit Details from the item menu and add a retention policy here. Once an item has been set up with a retention period, it will be automatically added to the disposition area ready to be disposed of on the relevant date. Only approved supervisors will have the right to dispose of these documents. Navigate to the Supervisor area and select Case Management Setup. Then click on GDPR. You can now select Disposition. If you select the grid icon, you can choose to show the filtering row, which will allow you to search your disposition entries. Simply type the search term required in the available field and click the Enter key on your keyboard. You may access additional search options by selecting this icon. Selecting the Extend icon will allow you to extend the period of time you wish to retain this document. Selecting the Dispose icon will prompt you to confirm that you wish to dispose of this item. If you've chosen to dispose, the item will now be marked in red and will be automatically deleted in 24 hours. Select the Undo icon to remove the document from the disposition process. Thank you for watching.